So is search as simple as we all think?
Yeah, search is simple. You type in the text and you hit enter and it's supposed to give you and magically work, right? But search is not very simple. There are many things that goes in search. First of all, when you're searching for, let's say, take any industry vertical. Let's say if you are selling automotive parts and you're searching engine. Now, engine is a category, right? Versus the engine can be also in product name. So there is weight-based search. So when you're searching for particular text, how much of weightage should be given to category? How much of weightage should be given to product? If I'm searching for a particular SKU and then search is able to identify and really pinpoint to a product, so then that search result should take you to a product page versus a search filtered category kind of page. People can mistype, can misspell. There is intent behind search. You start typing and I'm able to guess what you mean just the way when you type in Google. So there's intent, there is data dictionary, there's all those things that are very complicated. There's product attributes. So each and every, let's say if you go to bestbuy.com, right? So you want a 4K TV with the LED or certain technology, certain size, certain price range. All those parameters needs to be defined in the catalog for the search to be able to work. And then search needs to be configured properly. Many times search also do not work because people don't save the product data in the right format using product attribution. So there are those challenges and there are different solutions out there. It's not that simple. Sometimes Magento native search doesn't work,
Do you think it's worthy for a merchant to hire an external tech vendor for that?
Yes, there are external tech vendors for search, believe it or not, right? So in our space, if you are having Adobe Commerce Cloud, it comes with Adobe Sensei. Adobe Sensei, it's smart search, right? So it uses a lot of other things like user behavior, analytics pattern. You looked at this and you bought that. You looked at this and you looked at that as well, right? So there is a product correlation and there is user behavior. So it keeps track of that. And based on that, it makes the search smarter as well. In addition to that, there are third-party tech vendor search providers like Clevo is there, Algolia is there. So those people have a solution that can be integrated with Magento and that can definitely make the search smart, right? So depending on the customer, we make recommendations. If they are on Adobe Commerce, then search is strong enough. If they're not, then they will have to. And if you think about it, like when I have to correct you for the mistyping that you're doing, right? So that means I need to know that dictionary, that language specific dictionary, right? And that dictionary may change a little bit. It also has to be language specific. So your Spanish dictionary is different than English dictionary. All of that data cannot be in Magento. So Magento cannot search. So if I have to autocorrect you, then I need access to this kind of data dictionary as well, which is external. So that's why using tech vendor helps there.